Right, so I thought it might be quite cool to do a quick course on UDM. The reason why I think it might be quite cool is I often see people basically, want to buy courses for basically anything you can imagine, which in most cases, unless you're getting actually some value off the course, it's not really worth you buying it in most cases. I mean, for example, let's just use Python as an example. Let's just say we want to learn Python, for example purposes. Please don't, I'm not recommending these people, I'm just using an example. So let's just say, for example purposes, we want to become, say, a Python developer. That's what we want to do. So it might be worth us buying this thing from the complete Python developer by Andre. It might be worth us buying his course. If that is our goal, if our goal is to become a Python developer or build Python apps, Python websites, that kind of stuff, or learn data science, these kinds of stuff, then it could be quite useful. If that is your goal, that's what you really want to do, then buying a Python course is cool. But if you're just buying a course because some guy told you it's really cool, really powerful, it's not really worth it. In general, if you're doing a course, it should give you some benefit from it, whether it's simply learning something you think is important or valuable, or to make you money. That's basically it. If it doesn't do one of these two options, buying any course is pretty pointless in most cases. Because a lot of people spend all day basically using free courses, buying courses, that kind of stuff, which I can see attracts some people. But unless it is giving you some benefit, whether it's Python you want to learn, Julia, hypertext markup language, or something search engine optimization, unless it's giving you a perk, you're best not to do it as a whole. Unless you're very sure what you're going to learn here is going to either make you more money or give you some personal benefit of some kind, whether it's learning a new skill, whether it's, learn a new technique, whatever it may be. If it does that, then get it. If not, don't get it. We're in an age that you can basically learn most things quite easy for free, whether you watch YouTube videos, whether you read a blog, whether you read a forum, whether you ask someone in real life, it doesn't really matter. But it's quite easy to learn most things for free in a lot of cases. Unless you really want a course theme set up, if you do, then hey ho, go for it, if that's what you wanted. But most people in general can learn quite easy by simply watching free YouTube videos, whether it's videos about Python, whether it's videos about Julia, whether it's video about CSS or React or something else. You can basically learn most things for free quite easy. If you want a course, then do it. If not, leave it. Anyway, that's all the video. Thanks. Have a good weekend. See ya.